How to fix Spotify not playing music. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device and simply launch the Play Store application to search for Spotify just to make sure you have an updated version of the application. So tap on the search bar and simply search for Spotify over here. And as you search for Spotify, you'll be able to see if there are any options of update or not. So since we can see we only have the option of open and not update, it shows that we have an updated version. So we're going to go back to the home screen and we can simply make a long press on Spotify application, then tap on app info. As we tap on app info, you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So it might take few seconds to load, and here you can see the option of clear data. So tap on it and you can simply select clear cache and tap on OK. As you do that, you can relearn Spotify and that might definitely help you out. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.